You know you're in trouble when your parents disown you. In a Financial Times interview published on Sunday, John Reed, the former CEO of Citigroup, said that it's time to break up the big banks. In the interview, Reed calls for the reinstatement of the Glass-Steagall Act, which would separate investment and commercial banking from one another. Reed explains that these cultures don't mix well and one tends to push out the other. It does result in institutions whose behaviour isn't necessarily productive for the economy. So, Maxwell, how happy is Elizabeth Warren right now?
You know, it's always nice when someone on the other side of the team gives you a little bit of help. I think that he's just one person, but it always, when a big former Wall Street CEO says that, he needs to go back against something that he pushed for in a very fundamental way, then, that's good news for Liz.
Yeah, it's true. And what about the sort of fact that he pointed to kind of these cultures? And some of the heads of the big banks, his former friends maybe are not going to be that impressed with him, are they?
Yeah, it's interesting. Trading and, what you would call kind of boring banking used to be fundamentally different things. And it's interesting to think about these not as institutions, but as people, traders with their big bonuses, wanting to get bigger bonuses, influencing quote-unquote boring bankers to get in on the fun, I guess.